I thought I would come on and give y'all my honest opinion, baby, about this here cheap furniture, child, because they was all in the video like it's cheap, baby. It is resourceful. What are you talking about? Hey y'all, so today I want to tell y'all all about my experience with this Temu wardrobe. Y'all know I got it about a month ago, and I know a lot of people have questions about Temu Furniture reviews. So after having it for about a month, I thought I would come on and give y'all my honest opinion, baby, about this here cheap furniture, child, because they was all in the video like it's cheap, baby. It is resourceful. What are you talking about? So today I just want to show y'all like about how I guess useful it can be in your household. If you are looking for a portable closet, or you just need like some extra space, because you can take this pole out that you see right here and use it for something else. But I just wanted to show you guys, because I know in the video of when I originally put it together, I only put like one piece of clothing in there, and I mean, like, what is that? Like, you can't really get the gist of the wardrobe and like all that it entails. So I thought I'd make another video just to give you guys an update. So it's gonna be like a little closet organization vlog, baby, because we finna get into it, child. I done told this sucker up, girl. I have all of my bags. I just threw the clothes in here, so you guys are gonna organize my wardrobe with me, honey, because we need to do this. And I figure I can show you guys exactly how many pieces and how big it is and everything like that. So let's go ahead and do that. I was just organizing. Girl, let me close this up. Hold on. Okay. Now I was just organizing it, and what I was doing is just making sure that, I kind of color coordinate everything. Now, for me, and my opinion, when it comes to this organizer, if you're going to get it from Temu, and I'll be sure to leave the link for it down in the description so that y'all can go ahead and pick this up if y'all want to get it. But just for reference, I am 5'6". So, and this is how tall the wardrobe is, girl. It gives a very nice, luxurious look, honey. Okay, y'all see this little closet organization wall I didn't put together, honey? All of this for under $250, honey. Yeah, stick with me. Your girl gonna show you how to shop luxury on a budget, okay? But anywho, girl, so girl, hold on. Not this blue. This is blue, baby. You gotta come over here in the blue section, child. You just all in the way and out of place. But now we're gonna go ahead and put the black clothes, baby. You supposed to be over here too. See, now y'all are clowning. But see, I had some things out of place. That's why I was like, I need to get my life back in order, child. I've had it for about a good month now, and I love it, okay? If you are thinking about getting this wardrobe, go run to get it now. I think when we purchased it, it was like 101, but if I'm not mistaken, I'll just make sure that I insert a picture of it and everything for like right now and what the price is right now, so y'all want to go pick this up, or maybe you have someone that you want to gift it to. Y'all know the holidays are coming. People are looking for different gifts and stuff like that to pick up. So yeah, but let me get my black clothes. Okay, so again, y'all, these are like mostly my like going out clothes, I guess, if you will. So like if I'm gonna step out and go somewhere, this is what I would wear. So just really light pieces. Like I said, nothing really heavy is in here. Just a lot of like, little tops and stuff like that. So I thought I would put the blacks. What the hell was that, child? Don't be falling down, child. I'm trying to show you off and you in here clowning. But anywho, y'all, so I just wanted to show y'all like what I had in here in case you wanted to see like with me actually using it and how I organize my closet and, organize this wardrobe. Child, talking about my closet, child, I have made it my little walk-in closet, child. Can you tell, girl? But yeah, y'all, so now we're just going to put all the rest of my black pieces in here because, yeah, but y'all, I love this wardrobe. And then we're going to get down here into this section because I call myself making this my cute little designer bag, honey. Now, one thing I think I'm going to get, and y'all tell me which one I should get. I don't know if I should get a tap light to go up here, or if I should get the light on the inside. They're like, you know, I guess like the little string LED lights. Like I'm thinking about getting one or the two because at nighttime, child, this little thing had a nerve to be dark, okay? And I need to see on the inside of it, especially, you know, with it being closed in and everything, which was very important to me when it came to having a closet space, because I really wanted something that was more luxurious. And to me, like when you have like the open spaces, or like if you can see the clothes, I don't like that. Yeah. I do not like that. So yeah, girl, we're just gonna put all the rest of these pieces on up in here. But I would say you probably can still fit a few more pieces on the inside of this closet, but I would say be very mindful because it is still portable. And you know, although it can hold a lot, I don't think you should put a lot because you don't want it, you know, messing up. Someone said something in one of the videos. They was like, it's cheap, it looks cheap. Now what I will say is I don't feel like it looks cheap. However, I would say be mindful with how you use it, because you know, you don't want to have this full of like sweaters or jeans or, you know, anything that's really heavy. You know, you kind of want to keep the pieces very light, and this should be, you know, really easy to use. So yeah, that's what I want to say about that. And about, I want to show you guys about how many hangers can actually fit in there comfortably, and you can still, you know, move around with this. So girl, let's get into this section. So like I said, I call this being my luxury bag section, but as you can see, it's gotten a little out of hand. But hold on, girl, my throat a little parched, baby. I need some wine. Girl, okay, so, oh, you guys, I have some pearls, girl. I was planning on designing my bag, and yeah, so this is a Louis Vuitton bag that I got, y'all, and I need to put the pearls on here. Okay, y'all, so these are the pearls that I got that I want to try to put on this bag. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but what I want to do is I kind of want to design it and either have it going like this, which I thought would be so cute. Like, wouldn't it be cute? Right? But I don't really know of how I should clamp them on there. So if y'all could tell me a little bit on maybe how to do that, I would, honey, appreciate it. But anywho, what I think I'm gonna do, because these are just boxes, okay? And honestly, no one will ever see the inside of this wardrobe. So it's really kind of like just taking up space. So I'm thinking about putting the boxes up top, but then too, I might just keep them here. I also have another box as well down here, y'all, that I'm thinking about putting in there. Or maybe should I just put my bags in there by themselves? Like, I'm a little torn with that. But then too, I guess maybe that all depends on what type of lights we put on the inside, but who knows. But anywho, girl, for now, we will, until y'all let me know what to do. Honey, I'm just gonna put this back, you know, back up in there. But yeah, this is kind of like my little luxury area. Yeah, this is like my little luxury area, and all the rest of my bags or in the top of the actual closet that we have. But like I said, this is just for, you know, I feel like this closet here is for all of your going out, or maybe if you are a career or girly or guy, maybe you put all of your like dress shirts in here, your dress shoes, you know, like maybe guys, maybe you put all of your baseball caps in here, you know, maybe you put all the Jordans you done spent $500-$600 on, that's what you put in here, you know, and then you can still put the display lights up in there, you know, on the inside, or the LED light strips, make it real cutesy, honey. You just done got something real nice, honey, on a very good price. Bars. But anywho, girl, now this is where the disaster is now, and this is where I really need some help. So, child, I just been throwing stuff in here, and I really need to get my life together because I don't know. So, okay, y'all, tell me, do y'all think I should get 2 bins, or should I get one long individual bin to go in here? I think that's where I'm kind of torn, and I don't quite know what to do. And me, I'm not gonna make a move, baby, until it's the right move, because y'all know I like to save money, so I'm not about to be out here just spending money all willy-nilly. So I don't know if I should get the long bin or 2 short bins. Y'all let me know. And then it's the same kind of situation going on down here. And you know what? One thing I learned is puffy pants like this, honey, where does it go? These are so thick and big, like, baby, where do they go? So I don't know. I think maybe a big one, but then I'm like, well, maybe two smaller ones would make more sense, especially when it comes to pulling them out. So I'm not sure, girl. I need y'all help. Oh, for now, I'm just gonna close that up, and you guys don't see that mess there. So yeah, y'all, again, I just wanted to come give you guys an update on the Temu Furniture and on if it's something that I think you guys should honestly go get or not, you know, after having it for a month now and really using it and put it to use. So yeah, girl, but outside of that, honey, I love it, y'all. Y'all know I love Temu, honey. Me and Temu got a thing going on, honey. And also, by the way, none of my videos are sponsored, honey. Me and Temu do not have a relationship together. I don't partner. Well, I have not. They haven't reached out to me, child. So that's what's going on here. But if they did, y'all know I'm still going to give you my honest opinion, child, and what I feel about the Temu Furniture. So yeah, honey, let me know what y'all think about this Temu wardrobe organization, because like I said, after a month, I absolutely love it. Let me know what y'all think regarding the LED lights. Like, should I get the strip? Or should I get like the cute little tap light, like, or, you know, maybe have the remote? And should I get two bins or one long bin to go on the inside? Because I'm really indecisive on what I should do with that part as well. But anywho, honey, that will be the end of this Temu Furniture video, honey. Make sure y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. Like this video if you did. And if you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because y'all know I do. Because y'all know I do all sorts of Temu home decor hauls and Temu honest reviews. So yeah, honey, subscribe for more of those. And until next time, I'll see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.